In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix compare it price not showing on Shopify. If your compare it price is not appearing on your product page, it usually comes down to one simple setting inside the product itself. Shopify will only display a compare it price when it represents a real discount. That means the compare it price must be higher than the actual selling price. If the two prices are the same, or if the compare it price is lower, Shopify automatically hides it to avoid confusing customers. To fix this, start in your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. Find the product that is having the issue and click on it to open the product details. Make sure you are editing the correct item, especially if you have similar products or multiple versions. Once you are on the product page, scroll down until you see the pricing section. This is where Shopify stores the price your customers pay and the compare it price that shows the original price. Take a moment to look at both fields. In the price field, enter the amount you want to sell the item for. Then in the compare it price field, enter a higher amount than the price. For example, if the product price is set to $200, the compare it price should be something like $300. This difference is what allows Shopify to show a markdown or sale price depending on your theme. Pay close attention to the values because even a small mistake can cause the compare it price to disappear. If you accidentally set the compare it price equal to the price, it will not show. If you set it lower than the price, it also will not show. The compare it price must be higher every time. After you confirm the numbers are correct, click Save. Saving is important because changes will not apply until the product is updated. Once you save, check your storefront product page. In most cases, the compare it price will now appear, showing the original amount crossed out or displayed as a higher reference price. And that is all there is to it.